Today I'm going to introduce you a new class. It's called System Security. For this class, we are going to create a special software which enable communication in between multiple clients. So in this particular example, there are three clients: Alice, Bob, and Eve. Both of them, all of them, are the mobile clients with server. The server is implemented in the PC using the C# and Visual Studio. So the clients implemented using the Android Studio for the mobile programming. Okay, so this certain application works in the following way. So the first, for example, the messenger for Alice client. So we connect our client to the server. So now we can see, so the server has actually received that particular message, and now it is ready to send the messages to server. But as long as our communication done in between users, and right now there is no other users online, so basically our Alice cannot send message anybody. Okay, so here we do have another client, Bob, and we can connect Bob. Okay, see what's happened now. As long as in the server knows that there are two connected users right now, so that's why our messengers for Bob and Alice, now they actually displayed that now Alice can communicate with Bob because he is online. So here Bob can communicate with Alice because Alice is online. Eve does not connect it, so that's why here we cannot see any messages from Eve. Okay, so now we can try to send some message from Alice to Bob. For example, here, let's say Alice will say hi to Bob. Okay, we will need to choose the whom to send. So now we can see Alice to Bob and send. Okay, so what we can see here, so the server received the message from Alice and supposed to send that message to Bob. See, server sending message hi to Bob. So now the Bob received the message. So right here we can see that this radio button is actually displays that the message is received, and now we can see that the message came from Alice. If I will click this button, so now we can see the Alice say hi. Okay, we can reply. Hello, Alice. Hello, Alice. Okay, so here we already choose Alice, and we can send this message. So now we can see the message hello, Alice moved from Bob to Alice. Okay, same similar message transferring we can see in the server. Okay, now let's connect Eve. So when we connect Eve, as long as there are only three users in my application, so now all of them, Alice and Bob, everywhere in all of our three users, so they are connected. Okay, and let's send message to Bob and Alice. Okay, the first I will send a message to Alice. Hey. Okay. Send. So see that here, where is that? Okay, make it smaller. So right here, where is the special log, which display everything which is going on with our client. So that log is everywhere in all of our applications, same as in the server. So that's why we can see what is going on with our application. So if send message to Alice, so now we can see. So the if Alice received the message, and we can see now this is from Eve. Okay, and we can reply hi. Okay, so now we can see that message arrived to if, so the Bob doesn't have anything. Okay, now we can try to send a message to Bob. Yes, I use the different messages just in order to see that they're coming. Send. Okay, so the Bob send the so the if send the message hi. So right here, so we can see that window chat with the Alice, but now we can see that the if sends some message. So we can choose if. Now here where is the hi? Okay, let's reply. Hi. Okay, so the message delivered to server, and that message appeared in the if window. Okay, so this is the basic communication flowchart in between three users and server. So that kind of communication is very close, much closer to the formal chat application what you are using every day. So, and we are going to discuss in detail how to implement that kind of chatting procedure, and also all necessary steps in order to implement the secure communication in between users and the server. We will also discuss. So finally we will build a very secure messenger, and this is the main objective of the system security class for this semester. Okay, thank you.